most challenging one. 애들이 많이 틀린 거. So like now you go back to page 53. Number 2. 얘는 quadratic word problem. There are so many quadratic word problems. 너네가 사실 hide 오늘 나온 거 있잖아. 막 hit the vertex 그건 진짜 쉬운 편이야. 잘해놔야 돼 민서. 막 이렇게 hit the vertex 이런 거 있지. maximum height, minimum height 이런 거 막 when you throw the ball. 그건 진짜 쉬운 편이고. This is kind of hard question. At a certain college, the economic club plans to sell T-shirts as a fundraiser. The president of the club estimates that when the price of a T-shirt is $18, the price of one shirt가 $18 때, there will be 60 T-shirts sold 한 대. Alright? 그럼 for every $1 price of the shirt is reduced. 그러니까 price of T-shirt를 $1씩 깎을 때마다 그럼 there's gonna be more demand, right? 더 많이 팔리겠지. Get cheaper, more demand, right? 10 additional T-shirts will be sold. 아, 그래, 10 more. $1씩 깎일 때마다 10 more T-shirts will be sold, right? Based on this estimate, what is the maximum amount of revenue? 그러니까 revenue를 모를까봐 말을 해줬지. Price of a T-shirt times the number of T-shirts sold, right? We have to find the price of a one T-shirt and the number of T-shirts sold. 이런 문제는 X를 뭐로 정하냐면 the number of $1 decreases. 얼마나 깎을 거냐? 근데 $1를 this is the X value. And let's find the price of a T-shirt. We have to start from 18. 시작해야지. 18. Then when you reduce the price of T-shirt by X만큼 깎아. 그러면 like what about the sales? Start from 60 plus 10X. 이성이 이해해? Right? 근데 얘가 revenue. First one이 price of a T-shirt. 얘가 number of T-shirts. 원이 이해해? 찬우. Alright. 근데 maximum 어딨어? At the vertex again? This one is a factor form. I can find a 2x intercept. 찬우 x intercept 어떻게 돼?
18이랑
positive 18? 그치, negative 6. 네, like, yeah, but negative leading coefficient open downward. What's the midpoint? 6. This, 우리가 찾는 거는 maximum revenue. But sometimes, what's the price of a T-shirt? 물어볼 수도 있어. 아니면 number of T-shirts. It's different every time. 근데 revenue니까 plug 6 in it. 6 넣으면 12 times 60 plus 60. 120. 12 times 120. 1,440. Alright? 근데 이게 2019 March에 너희 알겠지만 넌칼에 나왔어. 넌칼. 어렵겠지.